Hello traders, in this video I am reviewing the Bonnitta Gold EA for MT5, and this is an automated gold trading expert advisor developed by Ugochukwu Mobi for the MT5 platform. And before we get into the review, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So right here on the MQL5 Marketplace page, we can see the EA is currently priced at 2,500 US dollars, and the version shown here is version 1.33 updated in June 2024. The developer also mentions that the EA price has increased over time, which suggests it is being positioned as a premium system within the marketplace. All right, or rather that the price will increase over time. As you can see here, according to the information here, the starting price is $2,500. The last price is $15,000, right? $2,500 is the starting price, which is what it is currently. The last price $15,000. Okay. Now, according to the description here, Bonnitta Gold is built around the developer's personal Bonnitta trading indicator, together with a combination of trend lines, support and resistance levels, and what is described as a secretive trading algorithm. The page also mentions the use of artificial intelligence within the strategy. Now, one important thing the developer emphasizes multiple times is that this EA is considered aggressive, right? So the marketplace page specifically recommends high leverage environments starting from 1:400 and above. All right. And the developer mentions testing on a $10,000 account. Okay. Using 1:500 leverage. All right, so there's also a strong risk warning advising users to only trade money they can afford to lose, which is definitely something worth paying attention to when reviewing systems with higher exposure potential. Okay, and as I continue scrolling through the feature section, we can see that the EA supports a news filter. All right, together with automatic GMT adjustment functionality. The recommended trading symbol here is clearly XAUUSD. So this is very specifically focused on gold trading rather than a multi-pair setup. All right. The page also mentions support for a high maximum number of positions or orders, which suggests the EA may actively manage multiple entries during certain market conditions, although the exact internal strategy logic is not fully disclosed on the marketplace page. Another major point mentioned by the developer is that historical backtesting is reportedly not functional due to the AI component used within the strategy. So instead of relying on historical tester reports, the developer encourages users to either rent the EA for a month or follow the provided trading signal for observation. All right. Now, because of that limitation, this review naturally becomes more focused on the marketplace information, setup requirements, and the overall trading approach being described rather than traditional completed historical backtest reports. Okay, so looking at the overall presentation, the EA appears heavily focused on aggressive gold market exposure combined with higher leverage conditions. Okay, so the developer also mentions that users can contact them directly for broker recommendations, setup guidance, and additional information. Now, even though detailed historical backtest analysis isn't available here, it's still important to approach systems like this carefully and realistically. Performance can vary significantly depending on leverage, broker execution, spread conditions, slippage, lot size, and overall gold market volatility. Now, we are just still going to head over to the strategy tester to see what result is going to come up, right? Even though that based on what, based on what information we have here, the backtest might not really work as expected. Okay, but still, let's just see how it goes. We're going to be testing on the XAUUSD, all right, the Bonnitta Gold XAUUSD. We're just going to use the M15 time frame, right? Any time frame of our choice. Okay, and then let's just use the every tick modeling, all right. And we are just going to test from the beginning of this year till date, all right. And then let us start immediately. Okay, considering the fact that the the developer has already said that backtesting won't work, well, I feel like they might not really be need to wait for this whole time for that every tick modeling to give us a result. So let's just use a faster option, which is less accurate. Um, but let's just use the 1 minute OHLC option, for example. All right, even though that's, ideally I would recommend, if you are testing, an EA, I would recommend using the every tick or every tick based on real ticks, but you can just go with the every tick anyways. But since we are just doing this as testing for testing sake, right, let's just use the faster option just for the sake of that. We are already using the 10,000 deposit. Okay, this is even 100,000. Okay, but minimum of 10,000, right, according to um what we have here. Okay, this was what was mentioned that was used to test it, so let's just use that also. All right, so we are just going to see what is going to come out, what results we are going to get. All right, but in my opinion, I think this is quite a risk, right? At least you should be able to get a reasonable information, or rather reasonable a substantial information, from back testing without needing to pay any money, right? Because here now, the information saying here, due to the use of artificial intelligence in the strategy, backtest won't work. That is the reason why you can rent it for a month or subscribe to the signal. So someone who wants to test this EA now, just to get an idea as to whether it is up to their expectations without making any necessary financial commitments initially, such a person now would not be able to do that, because in order for you to know how this EA works, what we are saying here is that you either have to rent it or you subscribe to the signal. Okay, so let's just say, um, well, as expected, there wasn't much. You can see only two trades taken, total net profit from $100,000 negative 1.84, right? So basically, just like what we saw on the MQL5 Marketplace page, I don't think there is even need to backtest this EA, right? Because they said here backtest won't work. So that was just, we just did this backtest just for the sake of confirming what we saw on the page, right? So in my opinion, I think this is quite a risky one. Okay, if you still want to try it out, then you can feel free to contact the the developer, right? You can feel free to follow the you know instruction here, contact on Telegram, or send a direct message for more information. Okay, so that is it, guys, for this particular video. I hope you found some value in it, even though in my opinion, I think this is a risky one if you want to make a financial commitment without knowing how the EA works. But that is just my opinion, right? So if you are considering testing this EA yourself, I'll recommend starting in a demo environment first and spending time understanding how the EA behaves under different market conditions before moving into any live evaluation. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.